Hey friends, does this scene sound familiar? After you're done washing with your dishes, your wet hands reach straight to whatever clothes you're wearing. I can certainly imagine the cute smiles that are going across imagining this scene. This problem is quite common in many houses. So what can you do to avoid this kind of problem? Because eventually what happens is, as and when you start rubbing your wet hands on those areas of your clothes or your homeware, they start fading color in those areas of your clothes, or the fabric over there loosens up and tears faster. Today I will share a very simple hack which will require practice. It's not like my other hacks which will work instantly, but definitely with practice you will get out of the habit of wiping your wet hands on the clothes that you're wearing. For this you will require a towel. If you all have hand towels, it would be very good because you'll need to use the lengthier side of the hand towel, and you'll take a ribbon. Now start forming pleats on the lengthier corner of the towel in this way. Once you have secured it with pleats, tie around the ribbon that you have. Secure these pleats with the ribbon. Tie a nice and tight knot. You will tie a knot on the front side in this way. Now friends, if you don't have a ribbon, you all can even make use of a string or anything that is strong enough to hold the towel tight. There, I have secured it on the back side as well with knots. Now let's move to the kitchen. For those of y'all that have a door to the kitchen, you all can hang this or tie this on the knob of your kitchen door in this way. So whenever you are going out of the kitchen, you can just wipe your hands on it once it's wet. For those that have such kind of cabinets in their kitchen, this is quite common. You all can attach this on those cabinets with a knot in this way. See that you all tie it in a way where you all can remove it very easily. Also, you all can make use of the hanger which I made from the shampoo bottle. I will attach the link of how I did it. You all can place the towel inside this and lock it up with the plastic itself and hang it, and it's accessible whenever you wash your hand. I'm sure many of y'all must be telling the hack is very simple, but yet it did not strike us. Practice will get you out of the habit what is built, and you will definitely find it worth in this way of wiping your hands once you're done with your dishes. You all can even form the same habit. Keep a towel in your washroom so that whenever you are done washing your hands, you can straight away wipe it on that towel itself. You do not reach out to your clothes. Special thanks to all those people who have specially left a comment asking me why have I not been visible in my videos lately. So here I am just for y'all. Thank you for checking on me and leaving your valuable comments. So that's all on today's episode. If y'all have any suggestions or requests, y'all know y'all can get in touch with me on my social media sites, or y'all can even leave a comment out here. Friends, if y'all are new to my channel, it's a request from my side to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you see besides it, so that you all do not miss out on any of the hack updates that I post on my channel. That's all for now. I'll see you next time with another new episode on How Hacks. Bye.